நம்ம குரலாம் மெதுவான பாட்டு பாடுறாங்க. இதெல்லாம் இதெல்லாம்
ఇది ఏం స్వామి ఇది ఇది ఏంటిది భజన అంటే ఇది గోవిందమాల
ఇది హిందూ యూత్ అసోసియేషన్ పాదయాత్ర ఫ్రమ్ చెన్నై టు తిరుమల నడపాதை ట్రస్ట్ ఇస్ வெரி பாப்புலர்
சொல்லு இது என்ன சாமி இதெல்லாம்
இது வந்து தட் இஸ் ஆல் த பூஜை that is a present for our Lord and prepare for the
like
Panjamritam and prepare to distribute to all the public.
How many days?
How many we are coming from Chennai.
Okay.
From Chennai this is 50 days. 50 day. In our team is the above 70 years old and 7 years old also coming from by walk from Chennai to Madras.
You?
I am one of the organizer.
Okay. Your good name?
K. Paramasivam. My organizer Hindu Association secretary is the Madhusudanan. You go and take some. Madhusudanan is the general secretary in our organization.
Tamil Nadu place enna?
Chennai
enna?
Ramavaram. But we are coming from Triverkad, Chennai near temple, Harmonium temple.
Very nice.
You take any question from our younger boy.
Romba thank you.
Okay. You come from?
From Hyderabad. Yeah.
Telugu. But we are not Telugu.
Tamil தெரியும் நல்லா தெரியாது கொஞ்சம் தெரியும்
இது பரவாயில்லையே
தமிழ் தெரியும்
தெரியாத மாதிரி தான் கொஞ்சம்
can't reply